Creating teaching materials is a large part of an educator's daily workload, which not only takes a heavy cognitive toll on the educator, but also takes time away from supporting their learners. Teach in the Microsoft 365 Copilot app helps educators save time and create engaging teaching and learning materials. Teach in the Microsoft 365 Copilot app is available to all Microsoft 365 faculty accounts with Copilot chat turned on. Within teaching tools, educators can use generative AI to create and modify content for lesson preparation and also create learning activities. Teach provides quick access to many educator tools, including previously created assets in the History section. The History section includes a preview of each saved asset. There are also resources to help educators learn more about leveraging AI in education, as well as other Microsoft Education tools and technologies. Teaching tools are easy to use and don't require any complicated prompting skills to get started. First, complete basic information about the lesson or activity. Fill in the fields for subject, grade level, and language. The grade field helps direct AI on creating age-appropriate content. To create a lesson or activity, enter a description using natural language. Descriptions that include a goal, context, and expectations provide better results, but a simple description is enough to get started. Attach source content from OneDrive or upload a file from your device. Teaching tools come with preloaded standards to help educators align their materials to specific criteria. In the Add Standard Set box, start entering in the name of the standard set. To drill down to the exact standard strand, select the grade, subject, and strand. Educators can use teaching tools to create engaging lessons, rubrics, and interactive learning activities in any subject. Drop-down menus and preloaded standards make aligning new content quick, accurate, and effortless. Teach in the Microsoft 365 Copilot app isn't a replacement for educators and the work they do. It's a tool that helps them save time in creating quality teaching materials so they can focus their energy and attention on supporting learners.